Hello, we're at EJ's Place in LA, California. We're doing an interview to Auntie Pin. This is to sort of foster agreement in the Soto Bigia family. So Auntie Pin, some survey regarding some disagreements that you want to handle and stuff. So do you have any disagreement with any of the family members that you want to work on?
Yeah, meron.
Kanino?
Unang-una, sa ate, kay ate baby.
Okay. So, tell me the...
Isa pa,
Okay.
bukod sa ate,
Uh-huh.
ang umpisa tungkol kay Nobby.
Okay. So, give us a short background on that.
Si Nobby, in-invite ako 2003 nasa Philippines ako para pumunta rito sa US to attend Owen's wedding. Since ang mom niya hindi invited, ako inimbitan niya. So, ang mami niya nasa Pilipinas that time.
Okay, so did she offer to pay
Oo,
for the trip?
ang sabi niya, papadala niya ako ng pamasahe.
Okay.
Kaya lang, hindi naman siya naiiba sa amin at pamangkin ko. Ang sabi ni Tito Ed niya, abonohan ko na lang yung pamasahe.
But you had an agreement with her that when you come to the US, she will refund you all that money.
Oo, ang sabi niya, pagdating na lang dito sa US, babayaran kita.
Okay, cool. So when you arrived, did she pay or not pay?
Ay, hindi agad. Yung ang 500, staggered basis.
Okay.
Nagstay ako sa kanila ng 3 months. Yung 3 months na yon, hanggang sa trip ko halimbawa bukas to the Philippines, ngayon niya ako binigyan ng cheque na no signature. Yun.
Okay, so that half of it was paid, which is, it's more than $1,000, but she is saying she will pay you $1,000, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, 500 of that was paid. Now she owes you $500. Is that correct?
Yes. At ang sabi niya, sa Pilipinas na lang niya ipapadala ang balance na $500. So, nag-rely ako sa kanyang sinabi.
So this happened 2003. How long? Now is 2008.
Yeah.
So you waited that long for the exact payment of this, of the payment, and how?
Hindi yun waited that long, sinisingil siya, ayaw na lang magbayad.
Oh, so sinisingil mo
I have
siya.
been texting her, writing her, telling her mom when ate baby is in the Philippines. Pero hindi siya nagpapadala ng bayad.
Okay. So
one time may card na dala ang ate, nung binuksan ko, ang nakalagay what's that? Ang payment niya is voluntary na lang.
rather than she taking responsibility for what she owes, she is bailing out, meaning she's changing the whole thing as if she did not owe you money, right?
Kung babayaran niya ako, that is voluntary. So, mukhang hindi ako babayaran, and that's not right.
Okay. Did she or not, do you feel that that she should honor her agreement in the first place rather than not honor it?
Oo, syempre naman, she has to honor. May agreement kami over the phone.
Okay.
Otherwise, hindi ako basta pupunta ng Amerika.
Okay,
Ba't ako pupunta?
Okay, good. And did you have a lot of money to spend anyway to come here? Then?
No, I owe Mama up to now.
Okay, for that trip.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, did you get any feedback from anyone that she would want to pay? Yung kay mami.
Oo, sabi ni mami mo,
When was that?
nung nandun tayo kay Auntie Mel mo, that was Halloween of 2006. Nabanggit sa breakfast table,
Who was there?
nandun si Chadita, yung balae ko, si Malu, Mel, Willie, EJ was taking the video, Bob and Rocky was there.
Okay. And so, what did she say?
At ang sabi ng ate, dahil naglalabasan kami noon ng mga indifferences namin, so nabanggit ko ang tungkol kay Nobi na utang na 500. Siguro, to cut the argument short, ginawa ng ate, nagsinungaling siya. Ang sabi pa nga niya, kung sabihin ko sa'yo na nasa akin na ang 500, wow, nag-cheer kami lahat. Nag-appear kami dahil natuwa ako.
Okay, this is part 1. Watch out for the part 2 of this series. Bye for now!